Teacher Aya, English stories, lessons, and more. The Little Girl and the Stray Cat. One quiet afternoon, a little girl named Mia was walking home from school. The sun was warm and the street was calm. But something unusual caught her attention.
Huh? What's that sound?
From behind a pile of old boxes, she heard a soft meow. Mia stopped. She gently moved closer and peeked behind the boxes. There, curled up and shivering, was a tiny gray kitten. Its fur was dirty and its eyes looked tired and scared. "Oh no, are you all alone?" Mia whispered. The kitten meowed again as if answering her. Mia looked around. There was no one nearby. No mother cat. No owner. Just the little kitten. Her heart felt heavy. "Don't worry," she said softly. "I'll help you." Carefully, Mia picked up the kitten and dropped it in her jacket. The kitten was cold, but it slowly snuggled closer to her, feeling safe. When Mia got home, her mother was surprised. "Mia, what's that?" her mom asked. "It's a stray kitten, Mom. I found her on the street. She was alone and scared. Can we help her?" Mia pleaded. Her mother looked at the tiny kitten, then at Mia's hopeful face. "Well, first, let's clean her and feed her," her mom said with a small smile. Mia's face lit up with joy. They gave the kitten a warm bath and a small bowl of milk. After eating, the kitten curled up and fell asleep peacefully. "She looks much better now," Mia said happily. "What will you name her?" her mom asked. Mia thought for a moment. "Luna," she said, "because she found me when the sky was getting dark." From that day on, Luna was no longer alone. Mia took care of her every day, feeding her, playing with her, and keeping her warm. Luna grew stronger and healthier, and she followed Mia everywhere around the house. At night, Luna would sleep beside Mia, purring softly. One evening, as Mia hugged Luna, She smiled and said, I didn't just find you. I found a best friend. And Luna purred louder, as if she felt the same. The moral lesson of the story is kindness, even in small acts, can change a life forever.